National Parent Month is being celebrated in November this year under the Be the Influence theme. The theme continues from last year as we launched a 3-year campaign. This year, we have aligned the theme to 3 topical issues. These issues, we believe as a commission, has persisted throughout the year. They are Planned Parenthood, substance abuse, and corporal punishment. We have associated 3 tags to each of those issues. So for Planned Parenthood, we say prepare, partner, plan. We are concerned about the number of parents who are opting out, not wanting to continue the duties associated with parenting. The fact of the matter is, once you're a parent, you can't opt out. You're a parent for life. And we are seeing too many parents who are also willing to give up their children to the state. The second issue is substance abuse, and the tagline for that is explain, encourage, support. We believe that parents must have the conversations with their children, explaining why the over-the-counter drugs that are easily accessible should not be used. That is on the radar because children continue to use the cough syrups to get a high. If parents are being the influence, then they're going to have these conversations before we get to a point where children become addicted to these substances. Now, the third one is corporal punishment. Now, we know that this practice is perhaps entrenched in our culture. It doesn't mean that it is correct. We have to get to a point where we are supporting our children with positive parenting practices. This certainly does not include beating. So we want you to strike a conversation, not your child. One of our concerns, especially with corporal punishment, is that beating is usually done out of frustration. All parents who practice this will tell you, I did not mean to hurt my child, except beating is a violent act, and it does hurt. We begin Parent Month with a launch on November 1. And then on November 5th, 6th, and 12th, we will have in select schools across regions 1, 2, and 6 presentations and workshops. On November 7th, 14th, and 21st, we will have mass parenting workshops, and these will be supported by the National Parent Teachers Association of Jamaica. That is a very strong partner of the National Parenting Support Commission. And then on the 10th of November, we have the first National Parenting Village. This year, we're going to have 3 parenting villages. The first on the 10th in Ocho Rios, the second on the 17th in Montego Bay, and the third will be in St. Elizabeth. The venues will be communicated at a later date. And so we are encouraging parents to come out to each of the villages because you will be guaranteed to get information that will help you to improve your practice, and information that you can pass on to your neighbors, to your friends, and even to your children as a plan for parenthood.